Welcome to another episode of the Relic Posse. Chris is there. We've got KC from KCMD joining us today. Hopefully he's going to find some stuff as well. We're at the Girl Scout camp. We've been to a couple of times. We're still at our car, and Joanna's already digging. Let's see what she's got.
Probably nothing.
You never know.
You never know. Got to take a chance. As commoners, we don't find the big silvers, do we, Mike?
No, it's always Chris. So we're parked right there. I came into the woods, dug a hole over there, didn't really find anything. In my second hole, I've got silver. Looks to be maybe a Washington quarter. Let's see if we can get it cleaned off a little bit. Definitely a Washington quarter. And an older one at that, 1936, 90 years old. I don't see a mint mark, so Philadelphia, but always a good sign when your first find is silver. Let's hope there's a lot more out there waiting for us.
Well, just in this area here, I dug about 4 nickels, and I really usually don't dig the nickels, but this is my 4th or 5th nickel. The only reason I'm filming it is because it's a buffalo. I haven't had a buffalo in years. I see the buff on that side and the Indian on that side. I can't tell the year offhand just yet, but I am just happy to get a buffalo nickel. I haven't seen one in a long time.
Joanna said she just found a watch. Let's go see what she's got.
Yeah, I got a gold ladies watch.
Oh, that is pretty.
Yeah. I found the buckle to it first. The buckle to the strap, but...
Does it say what kind of watch it is?
Well, yeah, it does, but I can't read it. I don't know.
Alright, well, maybe they can make it out on the screen a little better.
Yeah. I don't think it's Bulova. I don't know.
Well, I can't make out the first letter because the hand's hiding it, but it's Angram or Engram.
Oh, Ingram.
Ingram?
Yep. That's a watch brand, but that's... Yeah, I don't know if they even make them anymore.
I don't know, but it's very nice.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, Joanna's saying she found a Merc, and she yelled over, "I found a Merc," and Chris asked if it's silver. He didn't hear what she had said, apparently.
It's 1942.
1942?
In very good condition.
That is great.
Yeah.
Yep, 1942. That is gorgeous. Let's flip it over, see if there's a mint mark. And it doesn't look it. At least I'm not seeing one in the glare of the sun. But still, that is a cool find. Love finding Mercs. One of my favorite coins.
Alright, got 2 of my granddaughters here, and they just found a token spill.
I'll probably recognize
6
them.
tokens, and we found these before here. They're the ones with the crossed swords. Some have a dragon on the back.
This one.
Some have... I saw one anyway.
This one has a star.
Well, it has a star. Oh, there it is. Yep. Some have a star on the back.
Papa,
But they just found a spill of them in one hole.
Papa, if you show them.
6 of them.
So what kind of coins do you think it is? Ooh,
They are
another
net coins.
star.
They are some kind of token. And
Another
we don't know what they
star.
are.
Another star.
Alright,
That's good.
on to the next.
Joanna's in the corner there. She's getting signals in the plug and the hole, she said. KC, I think, is still down in the water. Chris is over hunting the shade still near where he found the buffalo. And I just got what I think is the first jackknife of anybody for the day. We found a bunch of jackknives here before, but this is the first one today. Let's see if we can clean it off a little bit and see what we got. Okay, that was the best I could get it cleaned up. In the sun, I couldn't read if there's anything there. Hopefully on film, we'll be able to see. And that sun was so glaring, I don't even know if I filmed it right. in the shade now. You can see that there is writing there. I just can't make any of it out. If anybody knows, leave a comment. Appreciate it.
Okay, I just met KCMD today, so I don't know what it's like when he screams like a little girl. So I don't know if he just found a bottle cap or if he found something good.
I think it's a bottle cap for sure.
It's a bottle cap for sure.
Here, have a look in the hole. Can you see it right there?
Oh, I see gold down there.
Yeah, baby.
Well, this is so exciting that
No idea what it is yet, though.
KCMD's filming it for TikTok, Chris is filming it for YouTube, and I'm filming it for the Reels, and probably TikTok as well. He thinks he's got gold there, and there's definitely something with a gold shine there. It was shining a little bit better a minute ago when the sun was out, but let's see what he's got.
All right, here we go, guys. Oh, dude.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, baby. It's, oh my God, you know what? I think that's a watch winder.
It's gorgeous, whatever it is.
Oh my God. It's
That is
got a
pretty.
ship in the middle.
I thought I saw a chain down there too, is there not?
I don't know. I have to go back and look.
There's markings on the back.
Yeah, I saw this pop and I just went, oh, goodness. All right, looks gold. It's not gold. It's, oh, it is. It's 10K.
Very
It's
cool.
10K, and it's got a something New York, and the number 32. Oh, baby.
Yeah, I would have screamed like a little girl for that too.
I would too.
This is my best find today.
My best find is a buffalo nickel, so
We'll flip it over so you can see the front. There's a tall ship on it, and some markings around the outside, but holy moly, guys.
That is very cool. Congratulations.
Thank you.
nice.
Yeah, baby. I haven't found anything all day, just trash, and this just makes my day. Holy moly. Let's see if there's a chain in there. Wouldn't it be awesome if I have a chain with it?
It might have been the top of this that I saw.
Yeah.
But I thought I saw a chain.
This is nothing compared to that, but I found a neat old Girl Scout
Oh, did you?
pin that we can donate back.
At least we found something Girl Scout. We found that pocket knife
pocket
too. It
knife,
says Scout
too.
on it.
And the pin was in the hole, just not on the. But this looks like a nice old one.
Nothing else in the ground.
Nothing down there.
Let me see your Girl Scout.
Chris says he's got a silver signal. We found a lot of silver in this area, so let's check it out.
Signal too.
Yeah, a lot of flies.
It sounds like silver, but I've been fooled before. Says it's in the plug, so it's not too deep.
Well, the quarter I found was, I doubt, even 2 inches deep.
It's not deep at all. It's the shallow end.
I found a merc on the other side last time we were here that was almost on the surface. I was able to pinpoint it without even having to, just by using the pinpointer. And then pop it up.
It's telling me it's all over the place. Does that mean it's big?
Uh-huh.
It'd be nice.
Big silver.
Another $1 again.
It has the name Joanna on it.
I hate to rip up the grass, but oh,
You
it's
got a knife too.
Huh.
It's a knife.
Wow. That's seeing that.
Not sure if it's a Girl
Mine's
Scout
bigger.
knife. You've been
You know,
seeing
the
that
one-
all our lives, eh?
The one that I found was similar to the one that you found, except
Was it?
mine was all in pieces like his.
Yours
Here.
says Scout on it.
Does it?
Scout? Okay.
Well, we'll definitely donate that to the camp then.
That's pretty cool. It's like engraved Scout.
I'm amazed you could read that. I couldn't.
Me
Well.
either.
I'm okay.
It's missing this side, which is probably where the Girl Scout emblem was, because there's nothing on this side. They'll get it anyway, though. I'm sure all the knives we find will be cool to them. Nothing on it, but that's my silver.
Still a cool find.
But 96.
Well, I just got my second silver of the day. Looks like a Merc. You want to pick it up, see what year it is? Up, other side. Should be below the, at the bottom below the head.
1929.
1929, an older one. Very cool. Thank you. Okay. 1929. Let's flip her over, see what's on the back, see if there's a mint mark. There, a little easier to see now, not seeing a mark. So, just a Philadelphia, but love it. Love the Merc. Well, this is cool. I dug the Merc there. And then right there, I got the same exact signal. 93, 94 on the dais. Turned out just to be a weedy. Wasn't able to get a year off that. And then I dug this signal, and this was a lower, only in the 80s. And I'm not sure exactly what I have, but it's cool. 1913, so it's over 100 years old. It's two of something. The front looks maybe Polish. If anybody knows what this is, leave a comment. But whatever it is, it's 113 years old. Love it. So Chris just Googled this, and it is a Heller bronze from Austria, 1913. Very cool. Some kid must have definitely fallen down here. That's where I got the Merc. That first weedy that I couldn't get a date from. That Heller bronze from 1913. And a second weedy right here, 1930. Not super old, but cool. 4 old coins right in a row. 2, maybe 3 of them over 100 years old. 1 almost. Love it.
All right, got my grandson Billy over here digging. See what he found. Oh my God, that's a big knife. That's a pretty one too. Wow. Wow, you gotta go show Uncle Mike that one. Wonder if it says Girl Scout. Oh, it's got a beautiful, looks like a mahogany handle. Some of them say Girl Scouts on them, some of them don't, but I don't see anything on this one, but that is pretty. You gotta go show that to Uncle Mike.
Alright.
That ring up pretty loud?
It wasn't even like that loud at all.
No? Well, cool. That's a better knife than I found.
Still in that little corner where I found all those coins, and this isn't an old coin, but it's kind of decorative. Looks like a lost hairpiece that's definitely seen better days, but still pretty cool. Well, Chris is heading back this way, and he's not the only one to dig a buffalo now. I just pulled one out, my 3rd of the year, my 1st of the day, and this one clearly has a date. 1935. Don't always get dates on buffaloes. I think Chris said his didn't. The reverse isn't as clear as the obverse, but I think I can clean this up. I think it's going to clean up real nice. You can clearly see the 5 cents, the bottom of the buffalo. The top, I think it's just dirt. I don't have any water to clean it off, and I'm going to have to look up. I'm not sure if you use water on nickels anyway. But very cool. I don't find very many buffaloes, so I enjoy it when I find them. I've got my first Girl Scout pin of the trip. Unfortunately, the pin itself was broken off, but it was in the hole with it. But this one is a beauty. Got the GS at the top, and I just love that eagle. I don't know what it's a pin for, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Not too much on the back. You can see where the pin once was. And as always, all Girl Scout artifacts are donated back to the camp, but it's fun getting a picture of it. my second Girl Scout pin of the day. And it's funny, it's pretty much like the first Girl Scout pin of the day. This one didn't come with the pin inside the hole as well, but very, very cool. Got a matching set.
Okay, we were down by the cars and we were looking in Joanna's car to see if she was in there sleeping, but I actually found her up here. And she found a silver pendant that's beautiful. What that ring up is?
On my Mind Lab 540, it came up as a 26.
It looks like sterling and it feels like sterling, but we weren't sure. So we popped a question on Google, and if you can see it, somebody is selling one on eBay, the exact same pendant. And it says it's a pendant Haylong Life silver, sterling silver, oval contemporary disc. Sorry, I'm trying to read it in the sun. Hopefully you can see that, but good find, eh?
Yeah, made me happy.
Yeah, I can see
I
why.
actually found a clad quarter in the same hole. So.
Well, I haven't been counting, so I don't know for sure, but this is about the 18th hole I've dug today. And in it is tag number 18. And that's all it says, 18. Nothing on the back, nothing that I can make out anyway. Just the number 18. Kind of looks like a 3, but I'm pretty sure it's an 8. Does anybody know for sure what this might be? I'm thinking probably a miner's tag, something along those lines. But if I'm off base, let me know. Leave a comment. Appreciate it.
Okay, Joanna's over there. She just dug that silver pendant somewhere over here. She's digging something else now. Here I thought I had a piece of silver, but I do not. I still haven't found silver yet today. And then I popped it out and I thought it was a regular quarter. But it's actually a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar. So it's kind of cool. It's my find of the day. I did have a buffalo nickel. I don't know. Is Susan B. Anthony better than buffalo nickel? It's worth more. I like it.
I was heading to the car to grab a drink. My car's right there. I think Chris is coming this way. He must be thinking the same thing. And I think I just found my third silver. Looks to be a quarter. See the ridges there? Let's pop it and see what we got. Oh, it's an eagle, so it's another Washington. And this one is, I know you're not supposed to rub, but 1942. And I can't see a mint mark there, but it's kind of hard to see. Either way, though, my third silver, my second Washington, 1942. Very cool.
Well, I'm not sure if this makes me an official cheerleader or not. But I found a cheerleader's cone. It says cheerleader on it. I don't think it's silver, but man, it came out shiny and it has a little bit of weight to it. I doubt it is, but I don't care. I'm an official cheerleader now.
We're at the van taking a break, and Dennis was just sharing with me an Abraham Lincoln campaign token he found not that far away from here. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. 1860. Got both of their names, him and Hamlin.
Hamlin? Yeah, I can't even say it, always twists me up. Hannibal Hamlin and Abraham Lincoln during Lincoln's first campaign for office.
That is so cool.
Absolutely a fantastic find. I'd love to get it into a museum somewhere. Yeah.
So,
Sweet find.
I'm glad I stopped at my car at the same time he stopped at his, or I wouldn't have seen this.
That's right.
It is gorgeous. over by the fire pits now. And it looks like I've just found a ring. Let's pop it out. See if we can get it cleaned up. See what kind of ring it is. Let me put it on pause for a second. Well, it's too light to be silver and there's no markings inside. A lot of hearts around the rim. Still a cool find. Love it. Still up by the fire pit by the lake. And I just found one of those tokens that we've been finding around here occasionally, with the cross swords on the front. This one has a star on the back, which is a little different than the ones I've seen before. I heard Dennis found some earlier today. I don't know what his looked like on the back, but star with a wreath, pretty cool looking. Love finding old tokens like this. Thought it was a quarter at first, but